Hello and welcome to this C programming video. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to pass in a multi-dimensional array to a function. So previously I showed you how to pass in a single dimension array. So this can be for a 2-dimension, 3-dimension, 4-dimension. It doesn't really matter. Principle is, very similar for it. So I'll focus on a 2D array. So as of now, the way you can even pass it in is via a pointer of numbers. You can pass it in as like an array that doesn't specify the size, or an array that specifies the size. And remember, it's all passed by reference, meaning any changes to the array in the function changes the original array as well. Okay, so now that that is out of the way, let me make this into a 2-dimensional array. I'm going to keep it simple and just simply have the next dimension have 2 elements, and what we'll do is we'll literally just manually, again, you can do something more complex, but I'm just going to say the first element for, obviously there'll be 100 elements in there, and each element will have its own 2-dimensional array. And in the 2-dimensional array, the first one will just be assigned I, second one will be assigned I squared. And I will we can continue printing this off because I'm showing how to that the fact that once it's modified it actually changes the original value. That is not a problem, we can do that. If we run this as of now, we will get it kind of works, but we're getting some warnings. Basically it's expecting a single dimension array, but it will pass in a 2-dimension. If you want to do it as an array of pointers, you want to do this. Put this in brackets, and then put square brackets afterwards. Oh yeah, sorry, you need to specify the size. You cannot not specify the size. Yes, 0. So we're going to add that like so, and we'll say array of numbers. Again, this is just for testing. And because technically we have 200 values now, we have a 2-dimensional array at the end. Yep, that works. There we go. It's all good. And let me just double check, just to make sure. Yep, so it doesn't work if you don't specify the size. So you have to specify the size of the second dimension. Remember, there's these other 2 methods of doing a 1-dimensional array where you just specify the size or no size, and you do specify the size. So let me cover doing it this way first. If you want to do that, you literally just replace that, replace the asterisks, and afterwards you put square brackets, 100, run that, still run the same way. Finally, if you remove this, you will get errors. What you need to do is you can't have just the first one specified and not the second one specified. You need either both specified or just the second one specified, or the last one if it's like a 3-dimensional array, for example. So that's basically it in terms of passing in arrays, multi-dimensional arrays. If you have any questions, feel free to post down below in the comments or on the Discord group, link in the description. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell to get notified of more programming videos. Let me know what other C programming videos you'd like to see next. I think I've got like another 100+ planned, so there's plenty more coming. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.